Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fruit salad Sravani Kitchen style. First, always choose the freshest, ripest fruits available for the best taste. Remember to wash everything thoroughly before you begin any peeling or cutting. We'll also prepare a simple, light dressing that truly enhances the natural sweetness of your chosen fruits without overpowering them. This method ensures a delightful and refreshing salad every time. Now, let's get into preparing our fruits. For firmer fruits like apples and pears, make sure to dice them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures a consistent texture in every spoonful. For softer fruits, such as bananas and berries, it's best to slice them gently just before you plan to serve. Always remember to remove any seeds, pits, or tough skins from all your chosen fruits for a smooth eating experience. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for looking up recipes or your favorite cookbook while you're in the kitchen. You can find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Next up is crafting that perfect dressing. We'll combine fresh orange juice, a touch of honey for natural sweetness, and just a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Whisk these ingredients together until they are fully incorporated and beautifully smooth. The key is to gently toss your prepared fruits with this dressing right before serving to keep everything fresh and vibrant. It's simple, yet so effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.